What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about top 5 Mac tips and tricks. So if you're using Mac in your day-to-day life, even if you're not using in your day-to-day life, it's not bad to know about this tips and tricks. Alright, so let's just go ahead and let me show you top 5 of the Mac tips and tricks. So let's get started. So number 1 is going to be, if you want to add and rename all of the files inside a folder. I have like, I don't know, so many screenshots. Let me just go and drag it everything, and I have, for example, okay, 18 items. So I have 18 files and I want to rename that. So what will I do? Screenshot 1, screenshot 2, and so on, and it will take a lot of times to add 18 of them. So I have the easiest way, which is not I have, like Macbook has given me. So alright, so click on this, it will be automatically replace text. Click on format, name plus index, add it, like for example a screenshot with the name already. Okay, I will go and add screenshot on that, add number, and click on replace, and there you go, all of the file has been replaced automatically just by the shortcut. Alright, so number 1 is complete. Now we'll switch to number 2. Number 2 is going to be how you can go and take screenshot. So for that I have Chrome browser and I will take Chrome browser screenshot. Alright, stupid as it is, but that's what it is. Alright, so let me just go and add Command Shift and 3, and there you go, it will take full screenshot and it is automatically going to go and add it on your desktop in PNG format. Alright, so I want to take one selected area on my desktop, that is going to be Command Shift and 4. I want to take Google logo, only Google logo, so I will take, for example, this size, and there you go, Google logo is already there and you have taken screenshot of that one as well. It will be on your desktop. Alright, so why do you don't see is because I have added like folder. Oh my god, so many screenshots today. Alright, so this is like adding shortcut on your desktop. So having all of the files which is going to be shrunk up all together, it doesn't look bad. So if I just go and open it up, just go and see how messy it looks. But by adding this shortcut, it already did that for me. So it looks pretty nice. Alright, so same shortcut key, that is Command Shift 3, Command Shift 4. Just go and do that whenever you on your screen. Alright, all of the files will be shrunk up together. Number 3 is going to be how you can go and add emojis. So that emoji is number 4, I mean to say, because I already showed you about this tip. Alright, so adding emojis. So how you can go and add emoji, there is a shortcut for that. Command Shift, not Command Shift, Command Control Spacebar, and there you see emojis which I mostly like. Alright, Command Shift, everyone loves that. Why is this? Okay, Command Shift Spacebar, and there you see all of the object as well. Just go and browse it everything if you want. All of these things has been added by Mac itself, so no need to go and find the emojis on your desktop. If you're writing an email, you have the emojis, just go and add it, and everyone loves emojis. Alright, next thing is going to be how you can go and add a lock to your screen. Of course, if you are using a Windows, you must have seen Windows key and L is going to lock your screen, but for Mac there was nothing but after High Sierra and more of that. For example, I'm having, what's the operating system I'm using right now? Okay, Mojave. So that is new operating system which just came and I got update of that. So if you're using more than High Sierra, you have the option of that. So for that you have to do is Command Control and Q, and you will get a lock screen on your desktop. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Make sure to add a comment what tip was actually beneficial for you, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you want to know more, just go and comment. I'll read all of your comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.